Next concept, packing efficiency is also called packing fraction. See, this is very important for board exams. So, actually weightage of this chapter is 7 marks, 2 plus 5. So, in 5 marks question, compulsory for 3 marks, 1 packing efficiency. This is very important. Now, see what is packing efficiency. So, packing efficiency means fraction of space or fraction of volume or percentage of space is occupied by spheres. Spheres means nothing but atoms or particles in a unit cell. That is called packing fraction or packing efficiency. So, fraction of space is occupied by spheres in an unit cell is called packing efficiency. Now, see the formula for packing efficiency or packing fraction. Volume of sphere into Z into 100 by volume of unit cell. Z means number of spheres in a unit cell, number of particles present per unit cell. So, volume of one sphere into Z is equal to total volume of spheres or volume of the spheres. So, instead of volume of sphere into Z, we can write volume of spheres, here only volume of sphere by volume of unit cell into 100. So, this is packing efficiency formula. Now, see volume of sphere formula, volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is radius of sphere. If this is sphere, this distance is called r, radius of sphere. So, this is the formula for volume of sphere and volume of unit cells. So, here our discussion is cubic cells. The discussion is cubic cell, cubic unit cell. A cube volume can be identified. That too simple cube we are considering. For a simple cube, in 7 crystal systems we observed, first system is cubic system. In cubic system, what are the edge length relation, ABC relation? A equal to B, B equal to C, where A, B, C are edge lengths. All edges are same. If all edges are same, volume of cube formula A cube. So, here unit cell is cubic unit cell. So, volume of unit cell, that is cubic unit cell, is equal to A cube. And see Z, what is Z? Unit cell constant. For simple primitive, what is the Z value? Once recall, this is also important for 2 marks Z calculation. Simple unit cell, Z is equal to 1. For FCC unit cell or CCP unit cell, Z value 4. For BCC unit cell, Z value is 2. We already calculated this. So, Z means unit cell constant, that is constant for a particular type of unit cell. So, these are packing efficiency, definition, formula and some general information. This is very important. So, in syllabus we have 3-dimensional closed packing structure, packing efficiencies are there. That too 3 are there, that is simple, FCC, BCC. They are very important. Out of the 3 packing efficiencies, one is compulsory for 3 marks in public exam. Watch it carefully. See, in packing efficiency, I said 3 are there. One is for simple, second one FCC, last one BCC. First is simple. These are very important. So, you watch it clearly and carefully. So, calculation of packing efficiency for simple closed packing, it is also called primitive. First you need to write formula, packing efficiency formula, volume of sphere by volume of unit cell into Z into 100. So, instead of Z we can write volume of spheres, both are correct. Now, see diagram. Students, in this derivation, means in this calculation, diagram is very important. So, if diagram is wrong, entire derivation is wrong. So, in exam they will observe diagram very carefully. So, you need to draw diagram clearly and it should be correct. Now, see, listen. In simple, where particles are present, once recall. Particles are present only at corners and that particles are in contact. Corner particles are in contact with each other. Now, see here, this is the diagram. So, correct diagram you need to draw, otherwise the derivation is wrong. So, this is the cube, simple cube. I am considering simple unit cell, simple cubic unit cell. Particles are present at all the corners. For simplification purpose, I considered only two corners, 1 and 2, two corners, and I said that particles are in contact. So, contact. So, this contact must be present. You need to represent that properly, otherwise it is wrong. See, generally students will represent like this. This is wrong because they are not in contact. So, it is wrong. So, this is the correct way of representation. The spheres must be in contact. Now, see, this is an edge and this is an edge. This is an edge and we are considering simple cubic close packing. Simple close packing. The unit cell is a simple cube. In simple cubic system, all the edges are same, A equal to B, B equal to C, A, B, C are edge lengths. So, all the edges are same. That edge I am denoting with letter A. So, this is edge A, any edge we can consider. So, for simplification I am considering this edge. So, edge length A. Now, if you observe, this is radius of sphere or center of the sphere and assume this is center of this sphere. So, from center to here the distance is called radius, from center to here the distance is called radius. So, A equal to R plus R, 2R. So, from diagram we need to derive some points. From diagram A is equal to 2R. Is it clear? A means edge length, that is equal to R plus R, 2R. Now, see, now we need to write formulas for this. Volume of unit cell. Here the unit cell we considered it is a simple unit cell and it is a cube, simple cube. So, cube volume formula A cube. We already identified A. A is 2R. So, A cube is 2R cube, that is 8R cube, that is volume of unit cell. Next, volume of sphere. Volume of sphere formula 4 by 3 pi R cube. Next, Z. For simple unit cell, what is the Z value? Z value is 1. Now, substitute these in the formula of packing efficiency. Then packing efficiency P, simply I am writing P, packing efficiency is equal to volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi R cube into Z value 1 into 100 divided by volume of unit cell 8 R cube. So, R cube gets cancelled, 4 ones 4 twos. So, remaining part pi by 6 into 100. Pi by 6 if you calculate you will get exactly 0.524 into 100. So, this is equal to 52.4. So, packing efficiency for simple unit cell is 52.4%. So, this you need to derive in exam. So, this is very important for 3 marks. So, note down it carefully. See here, calculation of packing efficiency for FCC or CCP. FCC full form phase center close packing, CCP full form cubic close packing, both are same. So, packing efficiency formula, as we know that volume of sphere by volume of unit cell into Z into 100. So, this is the diagram. So, diagrams are compulsory and it should be perfect, otherwise you may lose marks, they will not consider this derivation as correct. Now, see, we observed simple packing efficiency calculation. In that, spheres are in contact along the corners, means corner spheres are in contact in simple. Whereas in FCC, remember students, in FCC spheres are in contact along the face diagonal. Consider a simple cubic unit cell. In FCC, where particles are present? Corners and face centers. For simplification purpose, I considered one face. See, one face. This face again I expressed here. Observe. I said in FCC particles are in contact along the face center, face diagonal. See, this is face diagonal. These are edges. Along the face diagonal, spheres are in contact. And I am assuming face diagonal is B. This B is not edge length. B here I am assuming as face diagonal. Once observe. When spheres are considered along the face diagonal, they are in contact. From here to here it is radius. From here to here it is radius. Here to here it is radius. Here to here it is radius. Means the face diagonal is 4r, that is equal to B. Observe in diagram same. And each corner I am denoting with a letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So, this is the diagram for FCC unit cell to calculate packing efficiency. For simplification, I consider only at one face, that too along the face diagonal spheres are in contact. So, derivation. See, from diagram it is clear that face diagonal is equal to B, that is equal to 4r, where r is equal to radius of sphere. Now, see, we need to calculate this B in terms of A. For that purpose, I considered a triangle here. The triangle is ACD. Considered triangle ACD. It is a right angle triangle. It is like this. This is edge A and this is also edge A, and this is face diagonal representing with B. Now, if we apply Pythagoras theory or law, we can write B square is equal to A square plus A square. That means B square is equal to 2A square. That means B is equal to root 2A. But from diagram it is clear that B is equal to 4R, means 4R, instead of B I am writing 4R. 4R equal to root 2A. From this A equal to 4R by root 2, A equal to 4R by root 2. So, 4 I am writing as 2 into root 2 into root 2, this 4, 2 into 2, 2 we can write it as root 2 into root 2. So, 2 into root 2 into root 2 is equal to 4 by root 2 or A is equal to 4r by root 2. I am writing like this. Now, root 2 gets cancelled. A is equal to 2 root 2 r. A is equal to 2 root 2 r. Now, we need to find volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell, and we considered cubic unit cell. Volume of unit cell is A cube. A we find it just now, that is 2 root 2 r. So, 2 root 2 r whole cube, that is 16 root 2 r cube. On simplification you will get that. And volume of sphere, equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r equal to radius of sphere. And for FCC or CCP unit cell, Z value, Z is important, Z is called unit cell constant, that is 4. Now, we have Z and volume of sphere, volume of unit cell. By substituting all these in packing efficiency formula, it is possible to calculate packing efficiency. Once observe the calculations. Packing efficiency, simply I am writing PE, but in exam you need to write full form. Packing efficiency is equal to volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube by volume of unit cell 16 root 2 r cube, Z value 4 into 100. This on simplification, r cube gets cancelled. So, 4 into 4, that is 16, 16 get cancelled. So, remaining term pi by 3 root 2 into 100. So, if you calculate pi by 3 root 2, you will get a value of 0.74 into 100, that is equal to 74%. So, packing efficiency for FCC is 74%. What does it mean? 74% of the available space in a unit cell is occupied by spheres and remaining is empty space. So, empty space in FCC is 26%. Now, see next calculation of packing efficiency for BCC unit cell. This is last one. BCC full form body center cubic unit cell. Now, see packing efficiency formula, as we already discussed, that volume of sphere by volume of unit cell into Z into 100. Diagram. So, diagrams are important. So, you should write neat diagram in exam, otherwise they won't consider it as correct. And observe here students, in simple, corner spheres are in contact. In face center, spheres are in contact along the face diagonal. Now, spheres are in contact along the body diagonal. See here, this is body diagonal from F to A. This is body diagonal. Along the body diagonal, spheres are in contact. 3 spheres are in contact. This sphere, it is in middle. And here, this body diagonal I am representing with letter C. Body diagonal I am representing with letter C. From here to here, the distance it is called face diagonal. We already observed in the FCC calculation. This is face diagonal from here to here, same. That is this face diagonal. Now, we need to consider here this face diagonal. Phase diagonal we represented with letter B. So B. C body diagonal. So A edge length, B here for calculations we consider phase diagonal, and C is body diagonal. Now we need to calculate B and C in terms of A from diagram derivation. Body diagonal is equal to C, that is equal to in terms of radius C. From here to here it is radius of sphere. From here to here it is radius of sphere. From here to here it is radius. From here to here it is radius. So this is body diagonal. So body diagonal C is equal to R plus R plus R plus R, 4R. So C is equal to 4R, where R is equal to radius of sphere, where R equal to radius of sphere. So C equal to 4R, that is body diagonal. Now see, we need to identify what is the value of C in terms of R. For that we need to find first B. So B calculation, we already did this in previous FCC calculation. So for that I am considering triangle FED. So in triangle EFD, triangle EFD, it is a right angle triangle, see, this is edge length we are denoting with A, this is also edge denoting with A, and this is face diagonal denoting with B. So edge length A, B. In previous one we calculated that B square is equal to A square plus A square, B square is equal to 2A square, B is equal to root 2A, B is equal to root 2A, this is B. Now considered, actually we need to find C in terms of R. Actually we need to find C. See, for C calculation I am considering another triangle, another right angle triangle, that is ADF. Triangle ADF, that is also a right angle triangle, ADF. In triangle ADF, this length is edge length A, this is face diagonal B, this is C, body diagonal. So A, B, C. So apply Pythagoras rule. C square equal to A square plus B square, and we already derived B value or B square value. B square is equal to 2A square. So C square equal to A square plus 2A square. Instead of B square I can write 2A square. Observe here, from here. So C square equal to 3A square, C equal to root 3A, but from diagram we identified that body diagonal C equal to 4R, but C is equal to 4R. So 4R equal to root 3A, A equal to 4R equal to root 3A, A equal to 4 by root 3R. This is A. Next, volume of unit cell, we considered cubic unit cell, that too simple. Formula A cube, that is 4 by root 3 r cube, that is 64 by 3 root 3 r cube, that is volume of unit cell. Volume of sphere, formula 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the calculation is for BCC. For BCC, Z value, we already calculated this, that is 2. So, if we substitute all these in packing efficiency formula, packing efficiency PE, simply I am writing PE. For exam, you need to write full form. So, packing efficiency is equal to volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube by volume of unit cell, we calculated as 64 by 3 root 3 into r cube into Z value 2 into 100. So, this on simplification r cube get cancel, 4 ones 4 16s, 2 ones 2 8s, 3 get cancel. So, remaining part root 3 pi by 8 into 100. If we simplify this root 3 by 8 into pi, we will get approximately 0.68 into 100, that is 68. So, packing efficiency is equal to 68%. So, in BCC unit cell, volume of spheres occupied is 68% and means remaining space empty, that is 32%. So, 32% empty space, 68% is occupied by spheres in BCC unit cell.